Our investment services here at Brown Shipley are driven by one key principle: putting you, your goals and objectives at the heart of what we do. We believe wealth management isn't just about investments, it's about providing peace of mind for you and your family. We do that by taking the time to understand what is most important to you and what you want from your wealth now and in the future, and then we tailor our investment strategy accordingly. Once we agree on the right strategy for you, many clients are happy to leave us to manage the day-to-day investment decisions. This is what we refer to as our discretionary service. Here, clients will benefit from the best of our thinking implemented as we see opportunities arise. For clients that want to remain closely involved in all the investment decisions, we have our advisory service, and here we'll make recommendations based on your agreed strategy, and then you choose how to proceed. Your investment time horizon, return expectations, and your attitude to risk are just some of the key elements that we want to truly understand before we recommend an investment strategy to you. We offer a globally diversified multi-asset class strategy that is aligned with your investment profile. It aims to deliver returns over the long term. We aim to protect and grow your wealth. When it comes to asset allocation, we're looking to see how much of your portfolio should be invested into different asset classes, such as equities, government securities, and corporate bonds. And this will differ depending on your risk profile. Once we've agreed on asset allocation, we work to actively manage your portfolio. We will tilt towards asset classes and markets to either try and manage downside risk or take advantage of opportunities dependent on our view of market conditions and how we expect them to evolve over time. Our investment philosophy is aimed at protecting and growing your wealth. It's built on long-term views of the market and the economy, but it's flexible enough to adapt quickly to changing market conditions. We benefit from being part of a network of European private banks, and this means you, in turn, benefit from global capabilities that are delivered locally. Our parent company, Quintet, partners with the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock. And this means, as a Brown Shipley client, you will benefit from a powerful investment engine led by our own investment teams, but with additional analysis and insights. This enhanced scale and sophistication means you have access to an investment proposition that competes with the world's largest European and global wealth managers, all the while benefiting from the time and proximity that being part of a boutique private bank in the UK brings. If you'd like to know more about our approach or how we can help you in achieving your financial goals, please do speak to one of our client advisors.